Hey guys, so Esther here. And who has the best, most beautiful nature? North Carolina. Probably South Carolina too. I don't want to offend anybody. Tennessee, the Midwest, most likely all those places. But here where I am, the beautiful nature, something that we can all use for healing on all levels. So today on Crazy to Clarity, we're talking about how can we use the power of nature to help heal our heart, mind, and spirit. So many of us may feel a sense of maybe you're feeling lonely or sad or grief or lack of belonging, connection, any one of those. And maybe it's something else that I haven't even touched on. But I will tell you that the most healing energy you can get comes from nature all around you. And so your daily meditation, we did a meditation the other day, a daily meditation could include really connecting to the power of the elements, whether it's our beautiful sky, let me go this way, our beautiful sky, and the sun, really connecting to the power of the sun every morning when it comes out. Be with the sun, thank the sun, immerse yourself, gain the energy from those sun rays. And also from the moon at night, maybe step outside. If you have access to the moon, awesome, but even if you don't, it's there for you. So really connecting to that power, that radiance of the moon. Or just in the daytime, when you're out in nature, seeing this beautiful greenery, the flowers, the birds, the creek, all of it. This is your sanctuary. This is your toolbox for healing on all levels. And trust me, when you really, truly get present and connect to it, there's nothing better. Okay, guys, when you know and understand yourself, the world will know and understand you too. And remember, what's the best that can happen? Now go live your crazy best life. See you soon.